All right, this is your main man, Danny Stevens, going live once again. Products for Living LLC. All right, and a lot of you out there have been hearing the noise from me, as well as a lot of other people in regards to Bitcoin. Okay, and what I'm getting from a lot of people is that they don't understand how Bitcoin works. Well, guess what I'm about to introduce to you tonight? Okay, it's a platform called iCoin Pro that will teach you all the basics and the technical stuff of how to benefit from Bitcoin. I'm talking about for today and forever on. Bitcoin is an ever emerging cryptocurrency. And I don't mean to make it sound confusing because it's really not confusing. It's just like gold. Okay, people uh, they put their money into gold and silver or stock market, and they make money off of it. That's how the rich get richer, and guess what? That's how the poor get poor. The poor get poorer is because they make a choice to be poor. Okay, not because there's not options out there. So what I'm doing is I'm going live and giving you some options on what you can look forward to. If you want the training, it's right here. iCoin Pro. Okay? And what you will get with this training, and again, it's free to enroll. Get yourself enrolled in the matrix, okay? There is a cutoff date though. You do have to pay to get in, but you will position yourself in the matrix. And once your cutoff date comes, which is every Wednesday, you have a choice to upgrade, okay, for $39. Or there's some other different options that you can choose from too as well. You can also pay for half the year or pay for a full year. But at any rate, get yourself enrolled in a free position in the matrix, okay? Because you're going to get spillover over this. You're not just going to learn, but you're going to earn while you learn. Does that make a little bit of sense? To be able to earn some cash money while you learn about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is no joke. Okay, it's going to take over. Eventually, it's going to take over the American dollar because of the price of it and because of how easy it is to use. I know I might sound like I'm in outer space right now, but if you just stick with me just for a moment, please, crowd, stick with me. This is going somewhere. Icoin Pro has a platform that will teach you the basics and the technical things about Bitcoin. I'm already invested in Bitcoin. I'm already making money off Bitcoin. But for some people, it's not that simple just to dive in. Some people want that education. Some people want that one-on-one. Well, guess what? With iCoin Pro, this is what you're going to be able to get. And if you can see it here on my screen, basic intro to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, a brief history, Bitcoin myths, benefits of cryptocurrencies, how does Bitcoin work, wallets, how to acquire Bitcoin. Okay, all these things I already know, and I don't know it all. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying I've learned it. Maybe I learned it the hard way. I wish I would have had this when I was starting to get into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. It wasn't out yet though. The price of Bitcoin, and again, let's talk a little bit about the price of Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin. Do you not know when I got started with Bitcoin? The price of it was $1,700. Do you know where my money has went since then? It's right now today. Okay, this is 6/6/2017. The price of Bitcoin went up from yesterday. It's at 2,500 now. Do you know you're sitting on a gold mine if you have some Bitcoin? And if you don't, I would encourage you to get yourself some Bitcoin because Bitcoin you can also convert back into USD dollars. So I'm not trying to make this very confusing. I'm gonna really simplify it. And again, I'm a leader here. Okay, I'm no doubt God has put me here to be a leader and to show people a way to get wealthy. Okay, there's several different ways. I'm just showing you one right now. Okay, and this is the way to be able to do it. Even shows you the price of Bitcoin, making money from cryptocurrencies, mining, security, scams. There's a bunch of different scams out there. It's going to warn you on the scams to stay away from. Just a plethora of information on how you can learn about Bitcoin and how to benefit from it and not get scammed by it. It's just like anything else. You can benefit from it, but if you don't know the facts, you can get scammed from it. So this is what we're going to show you here, okay? And I want to show you a real quick video, alrighty? And just tune in here, and I'm going to leave my link above. And again, I would encourage you to get a free account. It says fill out the form below to get your free position in our fast moving power line. That means it's going to position you as you don't even have to have your credit card out right at the moment. Just position yourself, and you're going to get emails daily that's going to give you a choice, excuse me, if you want to upgrade and continue to get the education, but also we have a compensation plan that is hands down, bar none. Let me just show you this compensation plan. Let me go to genealogy. Okay, I'm all about facts. And you see up here, this is Danny Stevens. So this is not a dummy account. It's a real account. See where I got it highlighted, right up above. Okay, genealogy. Let's look at my power line view. Okay, look at this. It says, congratulations, Danny. Since you joined, there have already been 25,452 pre-enrollees. Okay, and this is what matters here. The 990 paid members placed in the company power line. That also means placed under me, and it is still growing. So you can get yourself positioned in this company, Icoin Success, and you can literally make money and learn without ever recruiting anybody, because you're going to be it's placed in again in this matrix or this power line, to where you're going to be able to get compensated. And for me, and this number's going to grow. I guarantee you, in an hour, if I do a live, this number's going to grow. But I have 990 paid members placed in the company. Okay, how phenomenal is that? To be able to get some education and still earn while you learn. Okay, that's phenomenal, just phenomenal. So again, we're going to go to this video, real quick video. Not going to make this long and drawn out, but I want to let you hear some more facts from some other people besides just me. All right, so tune in right here.
Why are billionaire investors like Bill Gates and Richard Branson investing in Bitcoin? And how can you get in on it? Since 2008, Bitcoin has grown faster than any other currency on the planet, and people have made millions. But the biggest growth is going to happen over the next several years, making Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies one of the most exciting investment vehicles in the last few decades, and anyone can participate. As of the time this video is being made, one Bitcoin is worth about $1,200 US. Every day, as more and more people learn what Bitcoin is, what its benefits are, and most importantly, how easy it is to use, its value continues to grow. And when you combine the thousands of new people getting involved with Bitcoin every day, along with more and more companies accepting Bitcoin to purchase their products and services, along with the fact that there are a limited number of Bitcoin available, the basic rule of supply and demand is a big reason that it's going to climb even more. In fact, experts predict by the end of 2017, Bitcoin will be worth over $3,000. And many say it can realistically reach as high as $1 million or more per Bitcoin in the next 10 years. Tim Draper, founder DFJ Venture Capital Firm, says Bitcoin will be over $10,000 per Bitcoin in 3 years. Jeremy Liu, the first investor in the multi-billion-dollar social app Snapchat, says Bitcoin could realistically be worth $500,000 by 2030. And Wences Casares, CEO of Bitcoin storage vault Zappos, says, in 10 years, Bitcoin will be worth between $500,000 and $1 million. It's not difficult to see why so many of the world's wealthiest entrepreneurs and investors are making Bitcoin a big part of their investment portfolios. But what many people don't realize is that anybody can participate, and you don't need millions or even thousands of dollars to do it. In fact, If you had just $100 worth of Bitcoin today and Bitcoin went to $1 million, your $100 would be worth over $83,000. But none of that means anything if you don't know how to get started. That's why we created Icoinpro. Designed with the brand new person in mind, Icoinpro is the first and only company of its kind that gives you our proprietary, easy-to-follow, step-by-step training system to teach you exactly what Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are and how you can start using them today. For only $39.95 per month, you will receive full access to over $10,000 worth of training and income-generating tools not available anywhere else in the world that will teach you everything from understanding Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, where and how to purchase Bitcoin, and important terminology, to advanced strategies like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency mining, understanding buy and sell signals, and even strategies like arbitrage, where you can buy Bitcoin at a low price on one exchange, then immediately sell for more on another. The world is changing, and technology is quickly taking over. The need for multiple streams of income has never been greater. Bitcoin has already surpassed gold in total value. Over the next 10 years, we could see more millionaires created than any other industry in history. And there's no easier way to get started than with Icoinpro. And speaking of multiple streams of income, Icoinpro is also a very powerful income stream in itself. In fact, if you decide to tell others about Icoinpro so they can learn how to get started with cryptocurrencies, you will get paid every month on everyone you introduce. Plus, as part of the industry's most powerful, power line-driven matrix compensation plan, when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position in our power line so you can see how fast the company is growing and how many people will be placed in our fast-filling 2x14 accelerated matrix after you. The way the matrix works, everyone is placed in the highest available position following their enroller. So the only place for everyone who joins after you to go is under the ones who are already in. And with no enrollment requirements to participate in the matrix, you can earn over $4,000 per month without ever enrolling a single person. So the sooner you lock in your position, the sooner you can start to profit. And with deeper levels of fast start bonuses and huge matching bonuses paid out when you build a team, Icoinpro not only has the most valuable product in the space, but also the most lucrative pay plan in the industry. Take a free tour today. Get started with cryptocurrency and lock in your position in the matrix. Welcome aboard Icoin
Whoops. Sorry about that.
Pro.
All right. All right, so there we have it, my friends. I accidentally hit the button at the tail end. But at any rate, you guys have got a good overview of what we offer with Icoinpro. It's phenomenal. I mean, just flat out phenomenal. If you want to educate yourself, if you want to take it slow, I can move on different pace. And I'm not being arrogant, not being conceited, but I am highly educated. I don't mean I've been to college. I've been to the school of hard knocks. I haven't been to one day of college. I graduated from high school. I went through a carpentry apprenticeship. I got my journeyman card, meaning that I was a union carpenter for years, but something just didn't click. It still seemed like I needed to be a business owner. So I emerged into my own construction business, which I still have. D. Stevens Construction LLC. Okay, I'm registered with the state of Ohio. But it's still something that seemed like it's more to this thing. I want to learn what the millionaires are doing. What are they doing? How are they educating themselves? And most millionaires don't have much college, but they're business savvy. That's what will make you money. College is good. A diploma is good. But financial education, look at Robert Kiyosaki. I mean, just look at all the billionaires and millionaires. They don't have a whole lot of college. Most of them don't have that. Some of them do. But the people that are highly educated are really sometimes dumb. Let me just keep it real. But we're here, we have a platform, iCoin Pro. We're going to teach you how to capitalize off of the ever going trend of Bitcoin. And I'm here for you. I'm a leader, whether you know it or not. Just keep watching me. I will continue to make lives. I'm going to continue to make myself transparent. I have several other businesses that I'm doing in Bitcoin that are doing very well. But again, I'm offering this as training, and but you can earn while you learn. Does that make sense? Get yourself a free position. Click the link above, okay, and get yourself a free position in the matrix. And guess what? And as long as you lock in for at least 39.95, because it's going to be a cutoff date. You have at least about a week. And I was kind of hesitant. I'm gonna just let you know that I was kind of hesitant because I'm doing so much other stuff. But I took by faith. I took a leap of faith, and I locked my position in. Okay, a leap of faith is all you need. Lock your position in right now. All right. As soon as you sign up, just lock it in. I've already shown you proof. I've only been in this a week, and I have almost 1,000 paid members. Over 25,000, I believe it was, if I remember the numbers right. 25,000 pre-enrollees and almost 1,000 paid members. Do you know what that is? That's money in your pocket. That's money in my pocket. Okay? Why would you not do this? Don't waste time. Don't procrastinate. And I say this, and I'm not being conceited. I say this because I procrastinated so many years of hearing about Bitcoin. I thought I needed a college degree. I thought I needed to be. I thought I really, honestly, I thought I needed to be Einstein. You don't need to be Einstein. I can teach you. I'm on the road to success, and I'm taking winners with me. I'm not taking losers. Okay. So if you're serious, click the link above. If you're not, if you need time to think about it, that's fine. Okay. But if you're serious, and even if you don't have a clue, lock your position in free. Okay? Lock it in free. And then you have a whole week to think about it. And a whole week to educate yourself. Okay? Through iCoin Pro. This is your boy, Danny Stevens, going live. I'm signing out. Inbox me. I'm very transparent. Give me a call. Number is 440-310-6226. And I want to educate you on this. Once you become transparent, you will get floods of leads, floods of income, and team members. But it's not about money though, because I'm not in this business or businesses, which I have others, which I won't discuss right now. Okay? But if you want to know what all I do, I also have a website. It's called Products for Living LLC.com. All right. But at any rate, I'm signing out, and I'll see you at the top, my friend. At least I hope I will see you. If you're looking me right in the face right now, you're listening to me. I hope I will see you at the top, my friend, because this is no joke. This is real serious stuff. This is something that can take you to another level if you just have faith. Not faith in me, but faith in yourself. You deserve better. You want more. You might be afraid. You can have it. I can teach you. And I have plenty, thousands of leaders. If I died today, we can all teach you how to make money with Bitcoin. It's an ever growing revolution. I mean, it's going somewhere. And there's other opportunities. But this Bitcoin thing is going somewhere. My friend, lock your position in today with iCoin Pro. And I'll see you at the top. Good night.